Ways of making money through digital real estate. Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into an exciting and innovative way of generating income, making money through digital real estate. In this video, we'll explore the various strategies and opportunities that allow you to create valuable online assets and turn them into revenue streams. Whether you're a content creator, entrepreneur, or simply interested in exploring new avenues for financial growth, stay tuned as we uncover the diverse ways you can capitalize on the digital landscape. Let's jump right in. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. 1. Identify your niche. Start by determining the area you are knowledgeable and passionate about. This niche will define the focus of your digital real estate venture. Choosing a niche allows you to target a specific audience and create content that addresses their needs, interests, and problems. 2. Create high-quality content. Content is the cornerstone of your digital real estate. Develop valuable and engaging content that resonates with your chosen audience. This content can include articles, videos, podcasts, infographics, and more. By consistently offering high-quality content, you'll establish yourself as an authority in your niche and attract a loyal following. 3. Build your platform. Select the appropriate online platform to host your content. This could be a website, a YouTube channel, a podcast, social media profiles, or a combination of these. Ensure that your branding is consistent across all platforms, helping your audience recognize and remember your digital property. 4. Search engine optimization, SEO. Implement SEO techniques to enhance the discoverability of your content by search engines. Research relevant keywords and integrate them naturally into your content. Optimize meta tags, headers, and descriptions to improve your rankings on search engine results pages, SERPs. 5. Audience engagement. Engage with your audience through comments, social media interactions, email newsletters, and more. Building a community around your digital property fosters a sense of belonging and encourages repeat visits. Respond to feedback, answer questions, and actively participate in discussions related to your niche. 6. Monetization strategies. Diversify your income streams by implementing various monetization strategies, such as advertising. Display ads on your website or videos using platforms like Google AdSense. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services, and earn commissions on sales generated through your unique referral links. Sponsored content. Collaborate with brands to create sponsored posts, videos, or content that aligns with your niche and audience. Sell digital products. Create and sell ebooks, online courses, templates, software, or any other digital products relevant to your niche. 7. Diversification. Avoid relying solely on one source of income. Diversify your monetization strategies to mitigate risk and capitalize on multiple revenue streams. This strategy ensures that changes in one area won't have a disproportionate impact on your overall income. 8. Consistency. Consistently updating your digital property with fresh and relevant content is essential to keep your audience engaged and loyal. By regularly delivering valuable information, entertainment, or solutions that align with your niche, you provide a reason for visitors to return. This consistent flow of quality content not only maintains their interest, but also encourages them to engage through comments, likes, shares, and subscriptions. Over time, this engagement builds a sense of community and trust, fostering a stronger connection between you and your audience. Ultimately, this commitment to consistency reinforces your authority in the field and contributes to the long-term growth and success of your digital real estate venture. 9. Analytics and optimization. Use analytics tools to track the performance of your content and monetization strategies. Monitor metrics like website traffic, click-through rates, conversion rates, and engagement levels. Use this data to refine your strategies and optimize your content for better results. 10. Networking and collaboration. Connect with other content creators and influencers in your niche. Collaborate on projects, guest posts, or cross-promotions to tap into each other's audiences. Networking can expand your reach and introduce your digital property to new potential followers. Did you learn something new about that you didn't know before? We hope you did. So if you're interested in learning more amazing facts, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching till the end.